Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So quickly, the first thing I did was moisturize my face, and then I'm applying the Zaron Cosmetics sunscreen all over my face and my neck area. So I love this sunscreen because it does not leave a cast on your face at all, so you massage it into your skin. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is to be applying this Rimmel primer. It's a matte primer around those areas that I sweat, that I produce oil a lot. So around the T-zones, as you can see, that place is looking a little bit mattified already. So the next thing to do is foundation. I use the Hair Guy and Esther foundation, and it's a matte foundation, but it's good. And then I'll be going in with this, as you can see, 4 different shades on my palm. So I'll be going in with the dark concealer shade to contour my nose and my cheekbones and all those places on your face that need to be contoured. What this does is that it gives back shape to the face, and it also kind of gives saturation, or kind of say definition to your face. As you can see, I kind of have a red undertone. I am so sorry, it is not really showing very well in the camera, but I kind of have a red undertone. So I was using one beauty blender to do everything. That was the reason why I use a wipe to clean out excess foundation that I used initially to blend my face. So as you can see, I'm blending the contour on my nose, and I'll also go ahead to also blend out the one on my forehead and the one on my cheeks. So the key to having a very flawless base is blending. As you can see, I'm just patting the beauty sponge into my face and trying to blend everything so I won't have any harsh line on the face. And the beauty sponge is actually damp, it's not dry. So as you can see, my face is looking more defined. I'm very sure you can see the difference between when I started and now, and I'm bringing it a little bit down to my neck. Yes, I have a little bit of dark neck. As you can see, the rest of my body is lighter than my neck. Some hyperpigmentation around that area. So the next thing I'll be going in with is this cream blush, and this will add some color to my cheeks. As you can see, guys, see the way my skin is glowing though. Beautiful. If you want, you can actually skip the blush part, but you can see how it added color to my face. A little bit of concealer, a bright concealer under my eye and the middle of my nose, just to bring back highlights to that areas. I used my finger to blend that out, and can we see how defined that looks? So I'll also be using, I love using my fingers to blend my highlights most times actually, because I don't know, you can see the way it came out. So I'm not saying you must use your finger though, but I do that on my face most of the times. I just love the way it blends out. And then I'm using the beauty sponge to just blend out the edges, just so there won't be any harsh line. Can you see the difference between that side and the other side though? So we're doing the same thing to the other side of the face. to blend everything together. I'm using the beauty sponge to blend all of the sides, just so there won't be any harsh line. So I'll be going in with the Beat Hive single powder to set the under eye. Guys, this powder is big. Can you see that? You can see how it looks so flawless. Can you see the difference between that side and the other side that do not have powder on? Yes, so it's so beautiful. So I'm just going in with that powder to set the highlighted areas of my face, which are under my eyes, my chin, and the center of my forehead, center of my nose. And then I'm going in with this Ezekiel Cosmetics powder palette to just, you know, set the rest of the face, as you can see. So I really don't have to do much because I already have a good cream base. Guys, take a look at that blend. So I'm going in with this yellow and brown shade from Juvia's Place, just to give back color to the face, to set the blush area. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I love it. So I'm using this custom baby powder to set and to bake my under eye. I love using the powder. There's this finish it just gives, guys. If you're on a budget, you can use your baby powder to set your face. I hope it works for you just as it does for me though. So yeah, we're just baking the face, baking those highlighted areas of the face. So for brows, I'm using this hair wax to put the brow down, you know, gel it together. And I'm using the eyebrow pencil from, what's the name of this brand, from Blossom Cosmetics. So if you need a detailed eyebrow tutorial, I have that on my page. I think I have about 2 or 3 tutorials. You can go check it out. So quickly, I just went in with this brown shade to as eyeshadow. So I'm using a white liner on my waterline. Then I'll be going in with the Zaron Cosmetics eyeliner to line my eyes. I just want to do a little bit of a wing on the eye. I'm not doing too much on the eye, guys, but can we see the detail though? Can you see the difference between the eye with the liner and the one without the liner? I don't know what Amir is doing behind my back. So we're just doing a little bit of a cat eye, guys. Do you see the difference? So lipstick, and I was rushing, but this is the final look. We're outside already, and this was in the evening when we came back. We just came back now and my makeup is still glowing, guys. I did this makeup since around 2, and this is like after 11 to 12, and it's still giving. Take a look at my eyes. Boyat actually did the face painting. It's looking beautiful and lovely. Yeah. Just have to take it off right now. So this is the finished look, guys. I had to rush the makeup because we were going out, and I just took these pictures. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me some love in the comment section below. Bye.